Come on, baby. You're better than that. Oh my God, he made it through. Oopsie, how can I need a hand. But come on, don't do that. I need some help over here. See, look. Okay, I think I need a video of myself in here. See what's going on. This is not a good for me, dude. Oh.
Go back down and help video you.
How can I get over there while I'm trapped over here?
Hands and knees.
I bent my knees off the ground. Okay, here you go. Oh, finally I made it. Have a good day.
What's taking you so long?
Well, you know, you knew me. I'm a granny. Oopsie.